Hello again, this is William Vinson. I want to take this opportunity to show you a video just about, I'm going to let you watch the video that's on the capture page for lead lightning. Now, I talked to you, I had a video that I basically gave you an idea of what this is like. Now, not only does it do all this, you can track everything that's in the video. You can track your leads. You can put any offer you got in the funnels. This gives you training, gives you everything. Now, the reason I'm letting you watch this is because you might not decide to even look at it unless you see maybe this video, because it's going to explain it a whole lot better than I can. I could repeat everything that they're saying, but I think they do a lot better job than me. So let's watch this video. It's only about 8 minutes, 7 minutes and 41 seconds. I'm going to full screen it.
I am so excited about this new program. In the next few minutes, you're going to hear about an amazing new done-for-you system that will generate an endless stream of red-hot buyer leads with credit card in hand. Even if you're a complete beginner here, this groundbreaking new method is just so simple, and that's the beauty of it. You could be ready to go and earning commissions within minutes from right now. This is new, you're on the ground floor, and it works for anyone in any company. The system is called Lead Lightning, and the creators behind it have been building marketing systems now for some of the biggest companies in the industry for years. So what exactly is Lead Lightning? It's a powerful marketing system, like the name implies, designed to flood your inbox with buyers, build your list at record speed, all while making commissions on a daily basis. And to show you how it works, I have a close friend of mine, Jeff. He's right here, and he's not only a 7-figure earner in the industry, he understands systems better than most anyone I know. He's helped thousands of people make money online, and he knows what it takes to build a huge business. Maybe that's why Jeff is also a Lead Lightning customer himself.
All right. Hey, thanks, Todd. Well, here's what I know from experience. A good marketing system can completely transform your business. In fact, I've used a similar system by the same people who created Lead Lightning to build a huge business online. But to get results like this, you gotta have a system in place that converts your website visitors into customers. You need a system, and one that converts, something you can just plug in, start marketing, and it just works. And that's why I'm so excited about Lead Lightning. What you've got in front of you is a lead attraction machine that works like crazy. And oh yeah, by the way, it spits out daily commissions too. And here's why it works. First, what we're going to do is give you a high converting lead capture page designed to attract the right kind of prospect. Someone who's interested in either making money from home, or building their email list, or building a home-based business, or even a network marketing company. So right from the start, every lead coming through your system is extremely targeted. And when your prospect submits their name and email on your lead capture page, their info goes directly into your contact manager. And then this initiates a professionally written autoresponder campaign that sends them a series of follow-up emails automatically. Inserted in the body of each email is a clickable link that directs your prospects to any website that you choose. You could send them to an affiliate offer from either ClickBank or JVZoo, Deal Guardian. You could send them to a video to learn more about your business opportunity. You could send them a link to join your membership program or your coaching program. You could send them to your own website and sell your own product. And what this does is it creates leads, exposure, and even sales for the product that you're trying to market. Another great thing about our system is the Autoresponder campaign is going to automatically default to promote only the Lead Lightning program, unless you decide to plug in any of your other businesses. Now, after your prospect opts in to our Lead Lightning capture page, they'll land on a sales page, just like this one, offering them the Lead Lightning system. The system tracks everything for you. And then you can log into your back office and see a list of all your leads, all your buyers that'll be showcased for you. And these are your leads exclusively. And everything is completely set up and ready to go for you right now, including your lead capture page, your sales page, and your done for you autoresponder campaigns. You don't have to do a thing. It's ready to go right now. One of the great features of your powerful marketing system is the contact management system. And you can log in and rate all your prospects and take notes on all the conversations you have with them. You're provided with pre-written emails that you can send out. There's also very detailed commissions tracking so you know exactly how much money you're going to make. And you get professionally designed banners, quality traffic vendors that you can buy traffic from or get leads from, and a training area packed with amazing content that shows you how to get leads, customers, traffic, and more exposure, including hundreds of dollars of internet marketing training, absolutely free. And here's the kicker. While the high-end custom marketing systems can cost you up to $97 a month or more, when you join today, you'll get this entire done-for-you marketing system to get leads and commissions for any product you're promoting for a one-time fee of only $7. Yeah, I didn't stutter. I said $7. And you get everything I've shown you. Plus, this system can become your 24/7 income generating machine. You see, when you share Lead Lightning with others, you'll pocket over 85% of every $7 sale. That's right, you get to keep $6 from every $7 sale, paid directly to you weekly every Wednesday. And this isn't small change either. The $6 commissions can add up very fast. And with our high converting marketing system, you'll be making these $6 commissions over and over and over again on autopilot. Just 6 sales every day using our simple marketing plan will turn into thousands of dollars a month in extra income. And if it's more money you're going after, get excited because Lead Lightning will unlock the doors for much greater commissions along with thousands of dollars in long-term residual income. The market we're going after is millions of people worldwide, and there are thousands of direct sellers, network marketers, affiliate marketers, internet marketers, and even local businesses that are desperate for more leads. And now you're offering them this amazing solution that you've been searching for, that they've been searching for, and it's just $7 one time. Anyone can make money with this Lead Lightning system. It's just really that simple. So Todd, I think we're about out of time here. I hope I explained it in a way that people could really understand this. I'm going to throw it back to you so you can tell them how they can get started.
Hey, thanks, Jeff. What an amazing system, right? Your next step is to click the Get Started button below to create your account. Simple as that. Don't miss out and watch everyone else get the leads and money that you've been hunting for. Grab your $7 lifetime membership to Lead Lightning and get started getting the leads and making the money that you want and that you deserve, starting right now. Go ahead, claim your system right now.
So I'm gonna put a link to this in my description, and it'll say Lead Lightning in front of it. So you go there if you're interested in this, and for $7, look what you get. I joined it. I mean, Lordy mercy, you can't beat that for $7. And you can put your links to. I'm a legendary marketer. I've got a link there, and I'm gonna put it in a funnel, and I'm gonna run it too. And see, you can do all this. I mean, I'm not gonna direct my emails to them. I'll put it in my own autoresponder for my emails. But for $7, a great way to build your landing pages, your whole funnels, and there's multiple choices. So look for it, and I hope if you don't watch any of my other videos, watch this one. Have a great day. Oh yes, and subscribe, like, ring the bell for next ones, because I'm going to go into this a little bit more later on the back office and everything, show you some things like that in the back office. Okay? Have a great day.